Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 11th, 2023. Going to do a price prediction real quick for ICP or Internet Protocol. You guys can tell I got something to talk about today. The market, the buyers did not want to keep price above our trend line, so we may have to play some weakness into the market in ICP and actually play the downside and actually expect the price to go down. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. You guys can already see, though, that my original price prediction, which was produced on the 26th of January, that I was looking for the bullishness to continue in ICP, and I drew these lines on the chart to represent what we needed the buyers to do, to confirm, to show us that this is what they wanted to do, right? So you guys can see that right here on the 5th of February, let me go ahead and create this arrow so you guys can see it, that the buyers failed to keep price above our trend line. That's strike one for the buyers. This was a clue, this was an indication that there's some weakness entering the market and that you might want to be cautious about how high price is going to go. Now, you guys can see that ICP tried once again on the 8th of February, 3 days later, it tried to come back up above the trend line and it got rejected. See, there's things on the charts that we need to pay attention to that gives us warnings. It gives us a heads up as to, hey, I know you may be thinking that price is going to go up in ICP, but these two times, February the 5th and then on the 8th, was another opportunity for us to cut the play. See, the market always gives us hints as to how we should be reacting, what we should be doing. So those 2 days, February the 5th, February the 8th, the market was telling us you might want to let this play go. And if that didn't convince you, then right here on the 9th of February, the market has given us a massive spread down bar, which should have automatically given you the expectation that price is really weak. So 3 strikes. I'm not bullish into the market in ICP as of this particular moment for all of those reasons right there that I've just mentioned earlier. So we need to go ahead and cut this and see how weak the market really is in ICP, because it may not be that weak. See, check this out. We already have an area back here towards mid-January, ending of January, to where the buyers approached the market in ICP and they was willing to buy it then. We're currently seeing that process now. So $5 may actually be support in the market in ICP. That's the only thing that is going to stop price from going lower. Okay, so let's look at this on a different time frame though. First thing we're going to do is we're going to see if we need to keep this price prediction going, because if we do, then we already know that what we've created on the last price, the video on the 26th, we've already known that this could be support. Okay, so that's the current process that we're seeing over the last 2 days of trading. So let's see what we have on a different time frame though. So looking at ICP on a 2-day chart, okay? So we have 9 hours and 5 minutes left on the current 2-day price bar, which is right here. But the last 2 days right here that the arrow's pointing up to definitely gives us a change from when the market was actually being bullish, going higher. Now we're actually seeing the price in ICP going lower, and it's pretty noticeable. Take a look at on the 3-day chart. So currently on this current 3-day price bar, seeing how price is currently closing off of the lows, meaning that there's buyers entering the market in ICP. So we need to see this continue. Okay, so we got 9 more hours on that 3-day price bar. Here it is on the 5-day. I don't like what occurred here on the 5-day chart. Now, when I see this, okay, this is the last 15 days of trading. Okay, so we're going to look at these 3 price bars right here. So this is indicative of selling. The second one looks pretty much the same. There were still sellers in the market in ICP there. And then we really got the breakdown. So when you look at these 4 5-day price bars, overwhelmingly the market is weak. Okay. So from a 5-day perspective, there's definitely some weakness here into the market in ICP. Looking at this on the weekly chart. So I would say in the next day and 10 hours, if the market in ICP closes down here, then we need to be prepared for price to go lower. Okay. So as of right now, what I'm seeing on the charts definitely looks as if the market is weak in ICP. I am going to place some weakness on this current price prediction, and I'm looking for price still. I don't think it's going to go that low. So we're going to generally create this area right here. Okay. This is the first area that I'm going to look for the market in ICP to run down towards. Previously, back in October of 2022, it was $4.60 was seen as an area of support. just like it did here back in June of 2022. So I'm looking for, as the price comes down in ICP, to try to come and grab buyers there at $4.60. Now, if it doesn't grab it there, then we're going to have to come down to like $4.30 to $4 even. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. If we were to get out the market now, we will be down around 10, almost 11%. Okay, you guys can see that. Let's go ahead and cut that out the way because we're still anticipating that the market in ICP is going to go lower. Market no longer is trading above that ascending line, so we could go ahead and get rid of that. Now, we wanted to, we could actually play how the market in ICP is trending down as well. So we can do that and put this on the chart and focus in on the weakness in the market in ICP. Okay, so this is the current area. This is the ballpark right here that we're looking at. Buyers down here, sellers up there. Okay, so like I said, we're going to go ahead and play some slight weakness into the market in ICP. And let's go ahead and do a price target. So my first price target is going to be up here at $4.88, $4.90. So let me go ahead and bring up this magnifying glass so you guys can see it. Okay, so $4.88 is for the first price target. Let's do $4.90. You guys can see that's 5.67% price target here. $4.90 or 91. My second one is going to be here at $4.60. You guys can see that's 11.75% move to the downside from where the price is right now. $4.60 or $4.59. And then the third one, let's see if we want to put on a third target. We'll do $4.50 for the third target. Okay, so now, as long as price in ICP trades below this area here, $5.80, we're going to continue to expect price to dip, to go a little bit lower. Now, I'm not saying it's going to crash or anything, but I just want us to be prepared for some weakness to come to the market. We've got to understand that we got to be viable in our understanding and logical thinking that price goes both directions. And this is what I'm thinking the market currently is on track to do over the next couple of trading days. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. I'm done. This wasn't hard, this wasn't complicated. I want to give you all information and content that you guys should be able to utilize and learn for yourself so that you had to be dependent on no one else when you ever and however you guys want to come into the market. You'll be able to do it in a simplistic way. So if you guys want to join me, come on board, hit that like button, and also subscribe. I'm not going to pump cryptocurrencies. I'm not going to pump stocks. I don't give you all FUD. I don't give you all FOMO. I pay attention to what the market is doing. And once you really grasp that understanding, you know how to act rationally whenever you come in and participate. So you guys want to join me, like I said, go ahead and do it. Tap that bell notification as well. I don't want you all to miss out on my videos, my content, because this is the edge that we have in the market, is being ahead of the competition. So that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.